So the moment we enter, there is a wardrobe here. You can see the wardrobe, like some extra pillows and a locker. There is a laundry bag, some hangers. There's a luggage space here and a cabinet, I think, with the mini bar. You can see it here. It's not on. This is empty. Some tea, coffee, water bottle, glasses. Kettle. This is the entrance. On the opposite side of the wardrobe, there is the bathroom. Basic bathroom. You have towels, a hair dryer, shower. There is a shower partition as well, and this is a two-way mirror. Sorry, this is a mirror with a light. Nice. Now let's go to the room. This is the twin bed one. We have actually taken two rooms. This is the twin bed one. So you can see the twin beds here. Each bed has a side lamp and a side table which is empty. There is a TV and a study chair, desk kind of thing, and again here a mirror. Sofa, and if you see the view, let's see, not a great view. So let's see the other room. The other room is the same. You have the wardrobe here, the restroom here, and again with the mirror with lamp, partition, and then here you have the same thing, the TV here. So it comes with a queen bed and you have two lamps. There's a fan and a sofa. A chair and a desk with a dresser mirror. This is a interesting one like the bathroom one. It comes with a touch light. The moment you touch it, the light switches on. Nice. And of course the TV. Let's now see the view from the window. Basic view, not great, but okay. This is the bed.
The light is also mirror light.